Xinjiang, a provincial-level region with a large number of land ports in northwest China, is gaining steam in pursuit of economic growth as its land ports register busier trade and handle more travelers. Amid China's efforts to expand opening up, Xinjiang has been making concrete efforts to improve the efficiency of customs clearance. In mid-August this year, Horgos became the first road port in Xinjiang to trial 24/7 passage for traded goods.
今年以来，我们公司出口业务量不断加大，商品品类也越来越多。现在我们每天出口日用百货和果蔬农产品1000多吨，大概70辆车左右，主要出口到哈萨克斯坦、乌兹别克斯坦等共建“一带一路”国家。
Horgos customs data show that in the first 3 quarters this year, the highway port had recorded about 1.36 million tons in terms of its import and export value of freight, up 115.3% year-on-year. Other major ports in Xinjiang have also witnessed a surge in trade. According to Urumqi Customs, the total value of imports and exports in Xinjiang in the first 10 months of 2023 reached 287.33 billion yuan, a year-on-year increase of 48.9%.
目前，巴克图口岸快速查验通道正在加快推进。巴克图出入境边防检查站推出绿色通道、预检预报、快速查验等高效服务举措，不断提升服务塔城地区开发开放实验区经济发展能力水平。
Xinjiang took a historic leap recently with the inauguration of a pilot free trade zone, China's 22nd pilot free trade zone and the first ever in China's northwestern border regions. Covering around 180 square kilometers, the pilot free trade zone comprises areas in Kashgar Prefecture, Urumqi, and Horgos, and is expected to contribute to Xinjiang's integration into both domestic and international markets.